My dear students, this is ICSE बोर्ड पेपर 2025 एंड 26 2025 एंड 26 सेक्शन ए क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and there are three parts. Part 1 is the polynomial kx cube, the polynomial kx cube plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6. Let it be fx. The polynomial kx cube plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6 when divided by x plus 1, when divided by x plus 1 leaves a remainder 6, leaves a remainder 6. X plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 1. When fx is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is f of minus 1. According to question, f of minus 1, this is a remainder by remainder theorem. By remainder is given, therefore this is equal to 6. Now put the value minus 1 here, k minus 1 cube plus 3 minus 1 square minus 11 into minus 1 minus 6 equal to 6. K minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is 1, plus 11 minus 6 is equal to 6. Minus k plus 3, 11 minus 6, 5 is equal to 6, minus k plus 8 is equal to 6, minus k is equal to 6 minus 8, which is equal to minus 2. We get minus k is equal to minus 2 mean minus cancel, k is equal to 2. We got the value of k is equal to 2. Now using the value of k, factorize completely the polynomial. Now you put the value of 2 in this fx. K is 2, 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6. Now using the value k, factorize completely. So by hit and trial you find one factor. How to find one factor? The factor of 6 are, factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6, plus minus, plus minus. You already have x plus 1, when divided by this remainder is 6. It means this is not a factor. You try minus 1. F of x minus 1 mean you put the value 1, remainder is 1. You try f1. Now f1 is equal to 2, 1 cube plus 3, 1 square minus 11 into 1 minus 6. 2 plus 3 minus 11 minus 6, which is equal to 5 minus 11 minus 6 minus 6 minus 12, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor. You try another one, f of 2. You try f of 2, you get 2 cube plus 3 2 square minus 11 into 2 minus 6, 2 into 8 plus 3 into 4 minus 22 minus 6, which is equal to 16 plus 12 minus 22 minus 6, 28 minus 28 equal to 0. It means remainder is 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. Now, one factor we got completely factorized mean the degree is 3. It means there will be 3 factors. Now, how to find the other 2 factors? You divide 2x cube plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6 divided by x minus 2. Here you will get 2x square into x, 2x cube minus 2 into 2x square 4x square minus plus we get 7x square minus 11x minus 6. Now x into 7x plus 7x, 7x into x, 7x square, 7x into minus 2, minus 14x. We get 3x minus 6. Now x into 3, 3x mean plus 3. Plus 3, we get 3 into x minus 2 into 3, 6. This is cancelled. Now we have the quotient is 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Factorize, split in the middle term, 2 into 3, 6. 6 1 the 6. We get 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3, 2x common, x plus 3 plus 1 common, x plus 3, we get x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Now factorize completely mean you have to write all the 3 factors together. You write fx equal to x minus 2. This was the first factor. Now these 2 factors are x plus 3, 2x plus 1. You write into, don't write comma, because this is the product of this. When you multiply, you get this fx. Now this is the answer. Now factorize completely. I have done completely factorized. What to do here? First it was written the polynomial when divided by x plus 1 the leaves remainder 6. Remainder is given. This remainder is given. So what to write? Fx is equal to this. Polynomial is given when divided by x plus 1 remainder is 6. So you according to question x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. It means f of minus 1 is the remainder and remainder is given, both are equal. F of minus 1 is equal to 6. You solve it, you get the value of x, k, you get the value of k. Sorry. K की value क्या आ गई? 2. Now put the value 2 in the polynomial function f of x. Here you put the value 2. Instead of k you write 2. Now factorize completely by hit and trial method. Factors of 6 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 3. You have to put the value of this. Factors of 6. Now you try first to try f1. f1 is not equal to 0. You don't write f of minus 1 because x plus 1 already divided by this remainder 6. This is not a factor. Now next try 2. f of 2, you get 0. It means x minus 2 is a factor. Then first factor you got it. Next you divide by long division method. This polynomial divided by x minus 2, you get this quotient. And then by splitting middle term, you get these two factors. Now f of x is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Now this is the answer. Next, second part, question on mensuration. This is a question. An eye drop bottle is prepared consisting of a hemisphere, this is a hemisphere inside the cylinder, and a cylinder and a conical cap. As shown in the figure diagram, given diagram, height of the cylindrical and conical part are each equal to the diameter 7 centimeter. Diameter 7, it means height of the cylinder 7 and height of the cone is also 7 and diameter is 7. Find the minimum height of the cylindrical box required to pack this bottle. Minimum height. So when we prepare a box for this figure, the height will be 7 plus 7, 14. The minimum height is 14. The answer is 14 centimeter. Minimum height of the cylindrical box required to pack the bottle. जो हम cylindrical box prepare करेंगे for this, their height should be 14. Now next part is B. Volume of the liquid medicine shaded part in the bottle. This is a liquid. This is a liquid. Give your answer to the nearest whole number. Now volume of the liquid. Volume liquid mean volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. Liquid is a hair only. So volume of liquid equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder mean pi r square h minus volume of cylinder hemisphere mean 2 by 3 pi r cube. Pi is common, r is same as hemisphere and cylinder. You can take common r square, which is equal to h into h minus 2 by 3 r. Now solve it. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. This is given. R is, this is diameter 7. R is 7 by 2. R is 7 by 2. Square mean 2 times you write 7. Now h. This is the height of the cylinder, that is 7. Minus 2 by 3 into R. 7 by 2. 7 cancel, 2 cancel with 11. Now 77 upon 2, 7 minus 7 by 3, which is equal to 77 by 2, 3 LCM 21 minus 7, which is equal to 77 upon 2 into 14 upon 3, 2 into 7, 7 into 7, 49, 4, 7 7 the 49 plus 4, 53 upon 3, which is equal to 3 1 the 3, 223, 3 7 the 21, 229, 3 9 the 27.2, 20, 3 6 the 3 6 the, but the answer is nearest whole number. Nearest whole number mean which is equal to 180 centimeter cube. The second answer is 180 centimeter cube. Height of the box which should be prepared for this figure, that is 7 plus 7, 14. And second, volume of the liquid, that is shaded part, volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere, we get 120 centimeter cube. This is answer. Now question number third का third part, construct by using ruler and compass for the following construction. A, construct an equilateral triangle ABC of side 5 centimeter. This is an equilateral triangle of side 5 centimeter. This is ABC. You write ABC. Now construct the circumcircle of triangle ABC. You know how to draw the circumcircle. You can draw two perpendicular bisector of the side. Third bisector, if all the bisector of the perpendicular bisector we draw, they all meet at a point. The point is called circumcenter. So you need not to draw three, two is sufficient. You draw only two perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector एक ड्रा कर लो, दूसरा ड्रा कर लो, you get the point, that is O. This is called circumcenter of the circle. Now O as the center, draw a circle with the radius OA or OB or OC. We know O is equidistant from ABC. Now यहाँ पर कंपास रखो, यहाँ पर रखो पेंसिल. You draw the circle which will pass through all the vertices A, B, C. This is a method. Construct an equilateral triangle ABC and construct the circumcircle of triangle ABC. We have drawn construction of circumcircle. Now construct the locus of a point which are equidistant from AB and BC. AB and BC, where they meet? AB and BC, they meet at B. It means इसके एंगल का बाइसेक्टर ड्रा करो. यहाँ से कंपास रख के आर्क लगाओ, यहाँ से एक आर्क लगाओ, यहाँ से एक आर्क लगाओ. We get this point. Now draw this bisector. Now mark the point where the circumcircle and locus meet as D. This is a locus and this is a circumcircle. They meet at circumcircle, mark the point D. Now give the geometrical name of the quadrilateral ABCD. A, B, C, D. Now this is a cyclic quadrilateral. All the vertices lie on a circle, then this quadrilateral is called cyclic quadrilateral. This is the answer. This is the circumcircle. This is a mixed question for circumcircle and locus also. Now this is the question number 3, third part. I have done section A, question number 3. If you like my explanation, please like it, share it and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.